shake, rattle and roll. It don't do nothing to that doggone soul. You're like a one-eyed cat peeking in a seafood store. You're like a one-eyed cat peeking in a seafood store. It don't do nothing to that doggone soul. It shake, rattle and roll. Shake, rattle and roll. Shake, rattle and roll. Shake, rattle and roll. It won't do nothing to that
those low notes are where the volume is. You sound great. Hey, we're back here at Carmine's Country Corner. We really have a treat this week because Tom Paul Wilson, who was such a big part of this thing, helped me in my transition period from when my granddaughter Sarah and her husband Tony were doing all the engineering. I immediately called Tom, and he came up and helped us keep it going. And then Kim came up, and Tom taught Kim, and the show kept going, Paul.
It sure did.
We never missed a week.
Seamlessly.
Somehow. So I want to thank all the good work that my granddaughter Sarah did and her husband Tony, God bless him.
Yeah, nice job.
And my little great-granddaughter Nicole was always running around. Remember, she was about 2 years old.
Absolutely.
She was great. We have my grandson Brandon here tonight. He comes to every show. Hi, Brandon. Love you, brother. Son, I mean. Yes, absolutely. Waved at us. So we got Tom tonight. He's got to come up and do some stuff with us.
It'll be great.
That's going to be a lot of fun. I'm glad to see him back on with the band. And of course, Bob Gotha. It's not enough to get him to come up and actually work the gig. You know, he comes up just to play for the fun of it.
That's right.
And I love that. I love it, Bob. I do. Thank you for showing up.
You're very welcome.
We appreciate
Glad
it.
to be here.
I'm glad to have you anytime. Of course, Gary Swan, how you doing?
See,
He said he's doing good, I think. John Palmer. Yeah, man. You're back. Chris did a good job last week. Chris Ross plays mighty fine, but you know, I love Chris, I love them all, but I always feel better when you're in the house, to tell you the truth. Well, you know, you're kind of family around here. So we're gonna play some country music for about an hour, and that's it. Paul,
Yes, Carmen.
what do we got?
Oh, you want a song?
Yeah, but first I want to ask you, how's your beautiful wife? She got back in town a few weeks ago, right?
She's back. She's back.
Good, and the kids and
Kids are all doing good.
Isla and
Oh yeah, Ollie, Isla,
Ollie and
Ollie,
Olivia and Jupiter.
They're great.
What do you call her? You shortened it up.
Oh, Juniper.
Juniper. I
Junie.
mean. Junie. Okay. Okay, now I know.
She's back in Yosemite. She's doing great too.
Good. I want to thank you all for watching the show. Don't forget to push share and like if that helps us out. And on YouTube, push subscribe and enjoy the show. We do this every week because we love doing it, and that's why we're here. And oh, wait a minute. You know, this guy's so quiet, I always forget he's here a lot. Dan, you got. Dan,
The quiet man.
he's a quiet man, but
He's
I'll
so
tell you,
quiet.
he plays a great bass. And he wears a good country shirt, too. I love that shirt you're wearing. So, Dan, thank you for showing up. Hope this PA is loud enough. And so Paul's going to do another one, and then we're going to go from there.
Gone.
What key is that in?
G.
G.
Gone. G. 1, 2, 3. She swore if I ever deceived her, she'd be gone before I could count 10. I guess that I did not believe her. Now just look at the trouble I'm in. And she's gone. Crying won't bring her back. The more that I cry, the faster the train flies farther on down the track. Well, I lost every right to be happy when I lost the good love I'd found. She swore that she'd leave and she left me before my first tear hit the ground. And she's gone. Crying won't bring her back. The more that I cry, the faster the train flies farther on down the track. and she's gone, 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 gone. Crying won't bring her back. The more that I cry, the faster the train flies farther on down the track. She's gone, 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 gone. Crying won't bring her back. The more that I cry, the faster the train flies farther on down the track. Yeah, the more that I cry, the faster the train flies farther on down the track.
Hey, that's a fun song, Paul.
Isn't that fun? I love that one.
that song. It's one of the best songs I've ever heard. We're going to do another couple and then get Tom up. And, hey, Halloween. It's all around us. And I'm going to tell you, a great sight to see is what I get to see when I've been working down at Knott's. And this year, normally we don't work through Halloween. They do that scary farm thing there. And
Knott's Scary Farm.
oh, God, it's hilarious. And they pack that joint. And this year they're having us do an afternoon show 5 days a week down there. And to see these young couples, now that I'm, we're all a little older gentlemen, to see these young kids in their 30s and mid-30s and late 20s with these tall, good-looking men protecting their women and their two little 2- and 3-year-olds running around, and I just, because there's thousands of them out there walking around, and you really get to see what it looks like to see families having fun together.
Wow.
You don't see the other side that we see in the news every night.
I don't watch the news.
Yeah, well, I watch it a lot.
Smart man.
But
there.
it's Tom and I, Tom Corbin, who you was talking about. I work with him a lot. We were mentioning that the other day. We said, look at this, like thousands of these families here, and it's all about dressing the kids up and trick or treating and giving their time, and it's just it's a good thing to see. It's fun to watch. Let's put it that way. Gary, do another one. Oh wait, Bob, you want to do one now? You ready?
Sure.
All right. We're just gonna kind of go around and.
Let's do Lay Down Sally. Yes. On the solo parts, it's going to be on the one chord.
Just stay on the one.
Yeah.
No changes. Okay.
Okay, here we go.
That's our rehearsal.
E, 1, 2, G, 2, 3,
G.
4. There is nothing that is wrong with wanting you to stay here with me. I know you got somewhere to go, but you can lay your worries down and stay with me. And don't you ever leave. Lay down, Sally, rest here in my arms. Don't you think you want someone to talk to? Lay down, Sally, there's no need to leave so soon. I've been trying all night long just to talk to you. The sun ain't nearly on the rise, we still got the moon and stars above. underneath the velvet skies. Love is all that matters. Won't you stay with me? And don't you ever leave. Lay down, Sally, and rest here in my arms. Don't you think you want someone to talk to? Lay down, Sally, there's no need to leave so soon. I've been trying all night long to talk to you, yeah. Here comes Paul. I long to see the morning light covering your face so dreamily. So don't you go and say goodbye. You can lay your worries down and stay with me. And don't you ever leave. Lay down, Sally, and rest here in my arms. Don't you think you want someone to talk to? Lay down, Sally, there's no need to leave so soon. I've been trying all night long just to talk to you. I've been trying all night long just to talk to you. I've been trying all night long just to talk to you. Thank you very much.
Marcy Levy tune.
That was fun.
Blue, broken-hearted me, holding to a memory. Since you've been gone, no matter who I try to be, blue and broken-hearted me. I never felt so down and out, never felt so all without. Since you've been gone, no matter how I try to be, blue and broken-hearted me. Thank you. explain the way I feel. Every tear I cry is real. Since you've been gone, and no matter how I try to be, it's blue and broken hearted me. Oh, blue and broken hearted me. Holding to a memory. Since you've been gone, no matter who I try to be, it's blue and broken hearted me. She's moving her. See, it's getting too dark again, huh, with the lights. It's going to be all right. Yeah, we're trying something.
Oh, I see. I see what we're doing. I see what we're
Oh, when she was moving the car, and I was thinking, what's going on around here?
Don't worry, I've got some jumper cables too.
Good. We're going to be okay. Anyway, yeah, Carmine's Country Corner, we've been doing this a little over 5 years. We appreciate all you people that write in the nice, kind words to enjoy the show. And I got quite a few people down from Knott's that I've met that have been watching the show now. It's always fun to hear from my, what I call my Knott's family. It's like a whole another group of people that are
Not your family.
they are now. Anyway, Judy and Gary, and I can go on and on. Sean and Caroline, and there's a whole bunch of them. Anyway, so Bob just did one. Swan did one. You did Swan. You want to do another one?
Yeah.
Go ahead.
In G. There's a closet full of dresses that I bought you. And here's the keys to the new car in the drive. And before you leave, I'll run. Put on your best perfume. Gonna do me wrong, do it right. And the next time when the phone rings, I won't answer it. I don't wanna be the fool I was tonight. I don't wanna know the truth. I don't wanna hear the truth. You're gonna do me wrong, do it right. Baby, don't break my heart all to pieces. Then walk right out that door and leave it all tonight. Take off the wedding band when it takes you by the hand. You're gonna do me wrong, do it right. Come on, Paul.
Okay, now for the feature artist, Gary, great job. Love the way you sing that song. Come on up, Tom. Now on February 19th, it's a little bit a ways away, but we're going to be doing a little thing at the Gene Autry Museum. And Tom is going to be one of our band members that night. The tuner. You got a tuner you can give him? He wants to borrow the guitar tuner. Do that.
Check.
So we're gonna get tuned up, and then Tom's gonna do some couple of songs with us, 2 or 3 or whatever you want to do. And so the night is it the 19th?
The 19th,
February.
2026.
Good. That's only 4 or 5 months away. And do you know what roughly ballpark time we got to be there?
We got to be there at 4:30, and then we got a green room, and so we'll just hang out and set up. They got a sound guy.
Oh,
so
they got PA
they'll
and everything.
a
Great.
PA, yeah,
Oh.
so they'll be dialing us
Man.
in that way.
Okay.
But a friend of mine who I met, I showed him some of the clips of me playing with you guys.
Yeah.
And I didn't know what he did. I said, "What do you do?" He goes, "I booked the Autry." And I said, "Well, maybe me and my friends could play." He goes, "Hell yeah!"
Oh, that's fabulous.
So it was nice to have clips of
No,
the show.
thank you. Thank you. Yeah.
It was nice to have
Well, I'm
clips
glad
of
he
the show.
liked
to
what
show.
he saw at least a little
Well,
bit.
I sent him the good stuff.
Well, of course. Well, duh.
It's all good.
Well, we'll be good that night too, I'm sure.
You're good every night.
We're gonna nail it. Okay, so yeah, so it's a little bit of ways, but it's something to look forward to, and we'll have some fun doing that. Okay,
Yeah.
what do you got?
Mama, take this badge off of me. I can't use it anymore. That long dark cloud is coming down on me. I feel I'm knocking on heaven's door. Knock, knock, 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 knocking on heaven's door. Gary, play me something, bud. Go ahead, Bobby. Mama, take this gun and put it in the ground. I can't shoot it anymore. That long dark cloud is coming down. I feel I'm knocking on heaven's door. Knock, knock, knocking on heaven's door. Knock, knock, knocking on heaven's door. So, Carmine, take us out, buddy. One more time around the block, Carmine. On a long, lonesome highway east of Omaha, you can listen to the engines rolling out as one long song. You think about a woman or a girl you knew the night before. Your thoughts will soon be wandering the way they always do. You're riding 16 hours, there's nothing left to do. You don't feel much like riding, just wish the trip was through. Here I am, on the road again. Here I am, up on the stage. Here I go, playing the star again. Here I go, turn the page. You walk into a restaurant, you're strung out from the road, and you feel the eyes upon you as you're shaking off the cold. You pretend it doesn't bother you, but you just want to explode. Most times you can hear them talk, and other times you can't. All the same old cliches, is that a woman or a man? And you always seem outnumbered, but you don't dare make a stand. Here I am, on the road again. Here I am, up on the stage. Here I go, playing the star again. Here I go, turn the page. Bob goes our Gother. Here you go, buddy. Gary. Later in the evening, as you lie awake in bed, the echoes of the amplifiers ringing in your head. Smoke the day's last cigarette. Remember what you said. Out there in a spotlight, you're a million miles away, and every ounce of energy you try to give away, and the sweat pours out your body like the music that you play. Here I am on the road again. Here I am, stage where I go, playing the star again. There I go, turn the page. Come on, Carmen. Here I am on the road again. Here I am up on the stage. Here I go, playing the star again. There I go, turn the page. Well, it's only going to get better. It's the beauty of life.
It's already pretty good.
It's all right.
What else you got?
Last one.
Do you have a note? You have a note, good.
Oh, you guys are way late.
You have a note.
Kim, give me a tight close-up.
Me too.
Me too.
No.
All of us.
We
Right
ready?
now.
No. Get on. What are we doing?
Please allow me to introduce myself. I'm a man of wealth and taste. Been around for a long, long year. Stole many a man's soul and faith. I was around when Jesus Christ had his moments of doubt and pain. I made damn sure the pilot and sealed his fate. Pleased to meet you. Won't you guess my name? 'Cause what's puzzling you is the nature of my game. I stuck around St. Petersburg when I saw it was time for a change. I killed the Tsar and his ministers. Anastasia screamed in vain. I rode the tank, I held the general's rank. When the blitzkrieg raged and the bodies stank. Pleased to meet you. Won't you guess my name? 'cause every cop is a criminal, and all the sinners are saints. As heads as tails, you can call me Lucifer, and I'm in need of some restraint. So if you meet me, have some courtesy, have some sympathy, and have some taste. Use all your well-earned politesse, or I'll lay your soul to waste. Pleased to meet you. Won't you guess my name? 'Cause what's puzzling you is the nature of my
Great job. How about a hand for Tom? Thank you. Tom, you sound good.
Johnny Cash beat.
Play the Johnny Cash beat.
You know, it's a Johnny Cash beat. You know, so much William Jennings, like, there is one.
You know the song. Don't like it,
Yes, I play with Lisa Finney.
but yes. What's Lisa doing?
I think okay.
Okay.
Yeah. You saw her a few weeks ago.
Lisa Finney, man, I remember her from years ago.
I love Lisa.
She used to come in and play when I was hanging out with Ronnie Mack a little bit, playing. It might have been
Yes.
at the town of Shanna or something, place, something like that, I think. Oh, it was years ago. Well, you asked me if I'll find another. I don't know, can't say. I don't like it, but I guess things happen that way. You asked me if I'll forget my baby. I don't know, I can't say. I don't like it, but I guess things happen that way. God gave me that girl to lean on, then he left me on my own. Heaven help me be a man, lack the strength to stand alone. I don't like it, but I guess things happen that way. You asked me if I'll forget her kisses. Maybe I will one day. I don't like it, but I guess things happen that way. You asked me if I'll find another. I don't know, I can't say. I don't like it, but I guess things happen that way. if I'll miss my baby. Oh, I guess I will every day. I don't like it, but I guess things happen that way. God gave me that girl to lean on, and he left me on my own. Heaven help me be a man, take the step to stand alone. I don't like it, but I guess things happen that way. God gave me that girl to lean on, and he left me on my own. Heaven help me be a man, have the strength to stand alone. I don't like it, but I guess things happen that way. I don't like it, but I guess things happen that way. All right, so we're gonna do on a higher key, I think. I think I might go from C to D on that one. That's the first time I did that song, but it's a good song. You know, I was watching some old stuff on YouTube, some town hall party tapes, and Johnny Cash was really young. It was 1957, I think, and he did that song.
Oh, yeah.
And boy, he was thin and looked good, and old Luther was going. That was his whole part. And I'll tell you, he played a little solo on there, a couple, and that's all he played was. That's what he played. Anyway, we're gonna work that up a little better. Paul, hit us. What do we only got 7 minutes? Dang, this flew by. Okay, Kiwi.
Shuffle here like this. The lonesome sigh of a train going by makes me want to stop and cry. I recall the day it took you away. I'm blue, I'm lonesome too. When I hear that whistle blow, I wanna pack my suitcase and go. The lonesome side of a train going by makes me wanna stop and cry. In the still of the night, in the pale moonlight, the side of a train going by makes me want to stop and cry. Suitcase and go along some side of a train going by makes me want to stop and cry. Suitcase and go along some side of a train going by makes me want to stop and cry. I'm blue, I'm lonesome too.
Good night, folks. See you next week.